In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a frame precisely with a single shortcut and a drag. This quick method is perfect when you want consistent, predictable resizing without hunting through menus or changing tools. Start by looking at the frame you want to adjust on your canvas. Make sure it's clearly selected so you can see the corner handles. If nothing appears selected, a click on the frame itself will highlight it and ensure the shortcut applies to the right object. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. You want to press these keys together as a single command. In many creative and layout tools, this shortcut activates a special resize mode that keeps things clean and proportional, and in some cases even scales the contents of the frame along with the frame itself. Don't worry if you don't see a pop-up. This is typically a silent command that simply prepares your frame for a controlled resize. Move your cursor to one of the corner handles of the frame. Click and drag the corner diagonally. Drag outward to make the frame larger or inward to make it smaller. Keep your motion steady and diagonal to maintain a smooth, even scale. You'll usually notice guides, measurements, or subtle snapping that help you land on clean dimensions. If your app expects you to keep the keys held down while dragging, keep them pressed. If it doesn't, a single press before dragging is enough. You'll feel which behavior your workspace uses right away. As you drag, watch the live size readout or the visual feedback on your canvas. If your frame contains elements, some tools will scale them proportionally so the layout stays intact. Others may resize only the frame boundary. Either result is normal and depends on your settings. If you need absolute precision, zoom in a bit before you start and move the mouse slowly to fine-tune the final size. When you're happy with the result, release the mouse to commit the change. Your frame should now be resized cleanly, with smoother proportions than a freeform drag. If you didn't get the response you expected, double-check that the frame was selected and that your cursor started from a corner, not an edge. Also ensure no text fields were active, since that can capture the shortcut. That's all it takes. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus C, then drag the corner of your frame for fast, accurate resizing. Practice it a couple of times and it'll become second nature.